Ohio. High wind warning in effect from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.
Scared me so bad.
Now looking at the weather. Southerly flow ahead of deepening low pressure over the central plains will bring periods of showers and thunderstorms to the region today.
Lord Jesus.
As the low tracks northeast to the Great Lakes, an associated cold front will bring additional showers and thunderstorms. A secondary cold front on Saturday will bring strong winds and additional chances for precipitation. Winds and precipitation will decrease Saturday night as high pressure builds into the region. This is NOAA weather. All hazards radio stations.
No KJOR 68.
Increasing
Oh man, I missed that.
broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz in serving central Ohio.
Well, heck.